Hey everybody, it's your girl Rebecca Joy. Welcome if you're new, and if you're returning, welcome back to my channel, Issalocstyle. So a lot of people, including me, I know struggle with finding easy, simple hairstyles that are cute, that they love to wear throughout their journey, whether you're a loose natural or whether you have locks like me that are low tension and that don't really pull on your edges. So today's video, I came up with 3 easy low tension lock styles that you guys can do, and I hope you guys enjoy. Please share this video, like this video, comment down below, as well as subscribe. If you guys want to see other posts that I do more daily, you guys can also follow me on Instagram at loc.q22, loc.q22. You already know, will be on the screen or down below. But in today's video, like I said, I will be showing you guys 3 low tension hairstyles that you guys can do. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so what we're going to need is obviously a spray bottle. We're gonna need 2 bobby pins, a hair tie, and then a scarf of your choice. I have 2 right here, but I think I'm gonna do the black one. So let's go in with the first hairstyle. If you wanted to spray, you can. I'm not going to, just because I'm gonna put a scarf on. But this is really simple and easy. If you wake up in the morning and zab, just kidding. When you wake up in the morning and you take off your scarf, you put on another scarf. And this is something really easy because I know that it goes with a lot of outfits, and it also just protects your hair. Now this isn't like a head wrap, but I would just consider this just a scarf in general. So let me get my mirror. So what I'm gonna do is, let's make it cute for real. So let's leave some hair out in the front, like the edges, because what we're doing are low tension hairstyles that don't really pull on our edges. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna comb it. We're combing with our fingers, just combing back and making sure our hair is able to stay back while having some hair in the front, okay? So we'll put the rest behind our ears till you feel like it's flat enough to your liking. Next, we're gonna go ahead, and I found my scarf at the thrift store, so you can definitely find these anywhere. And this is more of a smaller one because obviously my hair is not incredibly long, but I wanted something to match the length of my hair. Okay, we're just gonna put it on top, and I fold it just to have a little bit of like extra material in the front, and I'll put that behind my ears. I'll pull out the front to make sure it's staying flat. And I will go ahead and literally, I'll tie it under something loose, so not too much, right? Because we're still having that low tension in mind. In the back, instead of put a bow, because then you can also have these out, But this is really cute. It gives you kind of like a bang look. I really might just wear this out. This is really cute, So yeah. So you can either tie these up or leave these out, however you like. But yeah, this is the first style. Okay, this is really cute. You can either put your, lay your edges. You can put all your hair back if you want to. But I like this because I feel like it protects my head. It protects my locks. I don't have to do much, which is really what having locks is all about, is not doing much to your hair, not really manipulating it, and just letting it be. So yeah, this is the first style. Very cute. And I just love how it just lays. And it's something very simple. Like, this literally took me 30 seconds. And I didn't have to spray my hair. I didn't have to put any hair ties in it or anything. So I love it. Alright, so that's the first style. The second one is not going to have any scarves or anything. It's just going to pretty much we're going to do a makeshift headband. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take out or just leave the perimeter of our hair out. And it doesn't have to be anything specific or a specific amount of hair or locks, just the front. So we're just gonna pin the rest back, okay? And what I wanna do is kind of make a headband. You can either braid it or twist it or flat twist it. We're gonna do it this way. We're gonna put it behind our ears, have the rest out, and we're gonna do a loose twist, right? Because we're not putting a lot of tension on the front part of our hair, but we also do want it out the way, because I notice when my hair is in my face, I touch it more. When my hair is not in my face, I won't touch it as much. So let's just do a flat twist, because I feel like that would be easier. So we're just gonna, you know, break our necks. And yeah. So we're not gonna do too much. But we're gonna make sure that, let's see. Now, I don't do my edges a lot, especially in the first 2 weeks after a retwist, just because I rinse my edges every time that I do them. So I don't really want to make my edges more fuzzy than it needs to be. But you can always do your edges with these hairstyles. I personally am just okay with not doing them. So we're gonna continue to twist. And this is a flat twist, so it doesn't have to be anything dramatic. And you can either tie this with a rubber band, but since I don't have that, we're just gonna take a bobby pin and pin it back. Right. So here we have the flat twist, or whatever. You know, lay out edges. See, this is cute right here, but when I put it down and I'm just able to have the back out, which also isn't pulling our hair up, because we're not trying to pull our hair up most of the time. We're just trying to leave it out and get used to leaving it out. So this kind of makes it like cute, like it's like a makeshift headband where you're not putting an actual headband in your hair that pulls at your hair, but you're making a headband with your hair instead, and it also keeps your hair out of your face, you know, without that extra pull. So I feel like this is really cute. You can always, like, you know, put more bobby pins where necessary and whatnot. But I just love how you can just put this behind your ear. It's hidden, so it's not like anything extra in your face. These are really cute. It's so funny because on a regular basis, I don't really take time to do hairstyles on the daily. I'll just leave it out, you know, spray it, condition it, or, you know, put oil in it or whatever. But I like these, you know, they're so simple and they're just so easy to do when you need to wake up, when you need to go to, if you want to wear it to the gym, if you want to go to work, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is cute. This is number 2. I did spray my hair earlier this morning, so that's why I'm not really spraying it. But obviously you can definitely spray in between hairstyles, before the hairstyle, after the hairstyle, whatever you'd like. But yeah, this is number 2. Number 3 is going to be another headband type hairstyle, but we're going to do more bangs. And I like this because I see this hairstyle on a lot of people. So let's take the front part. We only need a little bit because, like I said, my hair is still short, so I can't do too much. But like I said, also when I have my hair out of my face, it forces me not to touch it as much, and that's clearly what we want. There we go. And you can always also do just one. See, this is cute in itself, just one side. But let's go ahead and do this other side. So instead of taking the first 3 rows going back, let's just take the first 2 rows going back. There we go. So yeah, there we go. We just need to take a smaller amount, like everything in life. Just take a smaller amount. Yeah. and it's very, very secure. But yeah, look at that. That's so cute. I'm about to wear my hair like this for the rest of the day, honestly. I might take some pictures, period. Just help myself. But yeah, those were the 3 looks, with the first one being the scarf tutorial. I forgot what they're called. Let me see what they're called, because so the first hairstyle was the scarf cover-up, okay? The second one was the loose twisted headband, and then the third one was a swooped bangs with leave-outs. So we really love these, okay? I love these because they are low tension, like I said, and that is the goal of having locks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, love you guys.